If you're an artist, you already know how your work doesn't fit into a neat little box, and your website shouldn't either. Your site isn't just an online business card, right? It's your gallery, your storefront, your booking system, and in a lot of cases, your first impression. Without a real website that shows off your portfolio, makes it easy to contact you, and even lets people buy your work or book commissions, you're basically relying on luck and social media algorithms to keep your business alive. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which website builder is the best fit for artists and how to pick the one that actually makes you money instead of wasting your time. And if you click away early, well, there's a good chance that you may end up building your website on the wrong platform, which you'll have to just rebuild in 6 months anyway, so you waste a ton of time and money. So let's go ahead and avoid that. But starting off, artist websites, they have to do more than just look pretty, right? They need to tell your story, show off your work in the best way possible, and make it stupid simple for someone to say, I love this, how do I buy it? You're not just selling products, you're selling your style, your process, and your brand. That means that your site needs strong visuals, easy portfolio layouts, and ways to handle commissions, print sales, or event bookings without a ton of tech headaches. If you pick the wrong website builder, you'll either spend hours fighting with the design or end up with a site that just doesn't reflect your art at all. Now, before we move forward, I have to say, if you're like me and you just don't have time to research, dozens of website builders and you just want the best option for roughly 99% of artists, go ahead and click this link right up here to try it for free with the absolute best pricing offer I could find if you decide to upgrade later in the future. Now, no pressure to click that link now, of course, but it is there throughout the video if you need it. So with that all said, let's go ahead and start with the website builder that, for most artists, is going to be the easiest and most powerful option. So if you want something that lets your art be the star without needing to become a web designer, Wix is usually the best overall option for artists. It's ideal if you want a site that looks custom, lets you drag and drop things exactly where you want them, and gives you room to grow into selling prints, originals, and services over time. Now, most artists like Wix because it feels more like arranging pieces on a canvas than messing with code, right? You can tweak colors, layouts, and galleries and pages until your site really matches your style. Now, for artists specifically, the big strengths are the visual templates, portfolio and gallery options, and built-in tools for selling art or taking bookings. You can set up image galleries that load fast and look great, organize collections by series or medium, and even add things like client testimonials or behind-the-scenes pages without much effort. Now, if you want to sell, you can add an online store, connect payment methods, and even offer digital downloads for things like prints or wallpapers. Now, the main limitation for artists is that if you're extremely techy and you want to customize every tiny piece of code, Wix can feel a bit limiting, right? But for 99% of artists, it's not really a concern. Pricing-wise, expect to pay low to mid monthly range once you're on a paid plan with your own domain and the features that you need. Now, again, if you want to check out Wix for yourself by creating a completely free account, you can click right up here to sign up and learn more about how they can help you. And if you're thinking, well, Wix sounds great, but I do care more about a super polished, minimalist look than endless customization. Well, there's another platform that might fit your aesthetic even better. Squarespace is often the best choice for artists who want a clean, modern, design-forward portfolio that looks like it was created by a high-end design agency. If your art leans towards minimal, editorial, or you just want a very professional gallery feel with as little tinkering as possible, Squarespace is going to be right up your alley. It's really best for artists who care deeply about typography, layout, and an overall polished vibe, and who don't necessarily want to spend hours dragging little elements around the screen. Now, artists, they tend to like Squarespace because the templates are really beautiful right out of the box, so your work looks high-end even if you don't touch much of the default design. You get strong portfolio pages, simple image grids, and built-in tools for selling products or services. Now, that said, for most artists, Squarespace isn't quite as flexible as Wix, so you don't get the same level of move anything anywhere control. And if you want very unique layouts or lots of experimental pages, Wix usually wins. Pricing is generally in a similar monthly range to Wix, but when you stack everything up, especially for selling and customization, Wix tends to give a little bit more options for the same or less money. But if you want to check out Squarespace for yourself, there is a link for them in the description below, which will lead you to a special limited time offer that they're running right now for new customers. And if you're thinking, more about keeping your costs low and you don't mind rolling up your sleeves a little bit, the next option here might be exactly what you're looking for instead. Hostinger is a great fit for artists who want to keep their monthly costs as low as possible and don't mind handling a little more of the tech setup themselves. It's best for artists who are, somewhat comfortable with tech or willing to learn and who like the idea of owning a more traditional, flexible website setup. If you're thinking long term and want room to grow into more advanced features later, like blogs, membership areas, or more complex stores, Hostinger can give you a strong foundation without breaking the bank. Now, for artists, the strengths are the affordable hosting plans, good performance, and the ability to pair Hostinger with a website builder or platform that runs on your hosting, like WordPress with a portfolio theme. Now, this means that you can build a site that's very customizable and scalable, but it does require more time and a bit more learning than something like Wix or Squarespace. The limitations for artists are pretty straightforward, right? So there's more setup, there's more decisions to make, and less of that, out of the box simplicity. Now, pricing though is usually on the low end per month, especially if you pay annually, which makes it attractive if you're on a tight budget. Now, if Hostinger sounds like it's the best fit for you, check out the link for them in the description below as well, which entitles you to a special deal that they're running right now for new customers. And if none of these options have completely sold you yet, and you're still wondering what actually matters when picking a platform, the next part here is crucial because knowing what to look for will keep you from wasting money on the wrong builder. So when you're choosing a website builder as an artist, there are a few key things that you really want to pay attention to. So you're not just, picking the prettiest template and hoping for the best. So first, look at how it handles image quality in galleries. Your art should load quickly, look crisp, and be easy to browse on both desktop and mobile. If the platform makes your images blurry, slow, or awkward to navigate, that's a red flag. Second, pay attention to how easy it is to customize layouts without destroying the design. You want enough control to make the site feel like you, but not so much complexity that you get overwhelmed and never launch. Third, check the options for selling your art or services. So can you easily sell prints, originals, digital downloads, or commission spots? Can you handle taxes, shipping, and basic store settings without hiring a developer? Fourth, make sure that the platform has solid mobile responsiveness because a huge chunk of people will discover your art on their phones. And finally, think about long-term support and features like blogging, email capture, and SEO tools so you're not stuck rebuilding your site from scratch a year from now. Now, once you know what matters, strong visuals, easy customization, selling tools, and growth potential, it becomes much easier to see which builder actually fits your art business instead of just looking for a, cool demo, right? But at the end of the day, Wix does stand out as the best overall option for most artists because it balances creative freedom, ease of use, and built-in tools to actually grow your business. So if you're tired of sending people to a messy link in bio or losing potential buyers because you don't have a real site that showcases your work, Wix is one of the fastest ways to fix that. You get a visual builder that feels intuitive, gorgeous templates made for creatives, and everything you need to start selling or booking clients in one place. And you can click right up here to create a free account to see how it feels for your own art. Now, if you have any questions for me, or you're a little bit confused about what's actually best for your specific situation, just drop me a comment below, and I'll do my absolute best to help you out as soon as possible. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.